Welcome to video 26 of series 3, and in this video I'll do a bit of cleanup before the next video, which will be your assignment. Okay, so I need to remove some components that are no longer required. They were just for example purposes, for example the detection script, the shoot script. Also want to do some folder management here too, so in my scripts I'm just going to make a new folder. I'll call it chapter 1. And just take all of these and just drop them in there. Okay. Now with that done, I want to also change the way the walkthrough wall script works and also the trigger example. What I want to happen now is for the walkthrough wall to change based off an event. All right. So I need to do a bit of script editing to make that happen. And one thing I'm going to do is remove the reference to the walkthrough wall script. I don't want to do it that way anymore. I just want the event to take care of everything with respect to that. So I'll just get rid of all of this. I won't have a void onTriggerExit method anymore. And I'll get rid of void onTriggerStay. I'll get rid of this bit in the set initial references. And also, when onTriggerExit happens, I'm going to also destroy the trigger. So I'm going to say destroy game object, finish. And it'll get rid of the trigger as well, and it's used up. Okay, now coming back, now I need to go to the walkthrough wall script and edit that. I'm going to make use of the onEnable and onDisable to subscribe to the event. And so I need a new private variable. So private event master script. I'll need a set initial references method, my own one, void set initial references, and I'm going to say event master script is equal to game object dot find, and I know the name of it, it's the game manager, and dot get component event master. That's it. So now I've got the reference to it. Now of course I need to call set initial references. I don't want these lines of code anymore. I'm not going to set it like this. I don't need a public method anymore, just private. I'm not going to be setting the layer back to default, so I'll just get rid of that. It will stay permanent. And now I'll subscribe to the method event master script dot my general event plus equal the set layer to not solid. Okay, so then I'll just copy that, bring it over to onDisable, make sure to unsubscribe if this game object is disabled or destroyed, and that should pretty much take care of that. It looks like I've got the necessary references that I need. Okay, and I'll go ahead and make a few more enemy spawns, so that a couple more of them here, and another one over there, for example. And I'll just set this one again. Let me go back to the original one, just move it back a little bit. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. I'll hit maximize on play, save my scene, and go. Okay, so it's just waiting for me to walk into the trigger. Bang, there we go. And uh-oh, the wall's changed and the trigger's gone and there are lots of enemies. And now I can just destroy them. And that was nice and easy. Alright. So there you go. Now you see how it works. So with a single event, lots and lots of stuff has happened. And the scene, well, the whole game works a lot better and more efficiently. So that was really simple. Okay, so that was a bit of cleanup for the scene, a bit of scene management and stuff. I could also put these inside of a master spawn group. But anyway, that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to give you an assignment to do, and it'll use everything that you've learned up to now, and maybe a bit of your own research capability. Alright, so thanks for watching, and see you then.